Indian Premier League IPL 2026 all-time team new opener list. CSK team new opener. Number 1 Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 2 Fab du Plessis. Mumbai Indians team new opener. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Sai Sudarshan. RCB team new opener. Number 1 KL Rahul. Number 2 Virat Kohli. Gujarat Titans team new opener. Number 1 Quinton de Kock. Number 2 Shubman Gill. Sunrise Hyderabad team new opener. Number 1 Rachin Ravindra. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma. Kolkata Knight Riders team new opener. Number 1 Priyansh Arya. Number 2 Sunil Narine. Lucknow Super Giants team new opener. Number 1 Travis Head. Number 2 Mitchell Marsh. Punjab Kings team new opener. Number 1 Josh Butler. Number 2 Faf Simran Singh. Rajasthan Royals team new opener. Number 1 Sanju Samson. Number 2 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Delhi Capitals team new opener. Number 1 Aiden Markram. Number 2 Abhishek Porel.